Hello everyone and welcome to the Top Foreign channel. You will learn in today's video how to make $2 a day by using this huge free traffic source. I don't know much, but it's every 2 minutes non-stop. This is just my pretty killer WordPress account, which I use to make those bricky links like income into money/something. You can see in the screenshot that this is one of the links I actually used with this method, and you can see that I received 10,479 clicks, of which 94,000 were unique people. This is just one of the links that I used, but the other link I actually used is here. I got 88,000 clicks on the link just with free traffic. I will show you how. Out of these, 67,000 are unique people. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to do this and how you can earn $2 every 2 minutes, which is like $60 per hour if you multiply it by 30. I know that's not too much money to make online, but once you set it up, you will be generating income non-stop on autopilot. You'll only have to spend like 1 to 2 hours a day working on it. You can make a realistically possible amount if you follow my instructions. Please subscribe, hit the notification button, and leave a comment if you like this video. Would you like to tell me what you think about this method or why you don't think it will work for you? I understand that this method is going to take 100 hours to work, and I know that if you're willing to take action, it's going to work. That is why I want to know why you aren't able to do it. First, you will need to create a PayPal account for this method. Due to the fact that this is how you'll get paid again, I had to change the language to United States because I'm not from there. So you just need to sign up for a PayPal account by signing up now. Just for beginners to know that if you do not have one, you should just sign up for a personal PayPal account. In the case of a personal account, you will only be asked personal questions, whereas in the case of a business account, you will also be asked personal questions and business questions to get the account set up quickly so you can withdraw the money and use it right away. If you choose to use your personal account, click on Get Started and they will ask you for your country. As soon as you give them your phone number, you will receive a code. You will enter the code into PayPal and then you will enter your personal details. When people send you money through PayPal, you have an email address that can be used to receive payments. In this case, you need to monetize. Affiliate marketing is a great way to monetize this method. Options such as ClickBank, Warrior Plus, TapMap, and CPA networks are ideal for maximizing earning potential without generating sales. We highly recommend taking advantage of networks such as CPA Group or TapMap. You will be receiving payments of $2 or $2.02. The purpose of this method is to target offers that are simple to convert. Even if the offer pays as low as 45 cents, it doesn't matter as you have enough traffic. The primary concern is the conversion rate since the traffic is not expected to perform a challenging task. Therefore, promoting an offer such as the 12 offer that demands an app download is acceptable. To proceed with this method, you need to complete a step, which is crucial. Without it, promoting the offer with the traffic source won't be successful, and the 81 cents, $2.97 won't be worth it. Fortunately, the step is simple, and the offer only requires basic information like first and last name, email address, and zip code. Once you submit this information, you'll be paid 87 or 97 cents, which is reasonable. However, the challenge is getting traffic, as not all links are suitable for this method. But with 88,000 clicks, the traffic source used for the 10,000 link, which is also suitable, has been verified to work. The next step is signing up for a free TikTok account, which can be done using a phone, email, username, Google, Facebook, Twitter, Apple, or Instagram. For demonstration purposes, the video recommends blocking notifications before signing up at tiktok.com. After creating your account on TikTok, you will have an account ready to use. It's important to note that you don't need any followers to get started. All you need to do is add a profile picture to your account. However, you won't be able to add a bio right away, as personal accounts require thousands of followers. To begin with, you can browse through the Discover and Explore pages to find videos that interest you. Alternatively, you can use the search function to find a video that you want to promote. For example, if you want to promote a funny video, you can type in funny cats in the search bar. Once you've found a video that you want to promote the video, you need to click on the share icon. However, for the method we are using, we need to find the duet option, which allows you to create a video alongside the original one. Clicking on the share icon may not work if the original creator has already used this method. To find the duet option, click on the video and look for the red icon. If the first video you click on doesn't have the duet option, keep searching until you find one that does. Once you've found a video with the duet option, click on it and then click on the portrait icon to begin the duet. It's important to note that you don't need to show your face in the video, and you don't need to speak during the video either. Just tilt your phone to a horizontal position, repost the video, and let it play. You can add music or effects to the video if you want to make it more engaging. Finally, when asked if you want to post the video, click on yes. So basically, after clicking on the duet button, you can see that your green screen will replace the original video, but since you are not present in the video, the original video will remain as it is. Then you can add a caption to the video such as duet with adorable pet and leave it at that. This will help you to gain views and followers and also direct traffic to your links that will be placed in your bio. To optimize your video's visibility, you should add a few more relevant hashtags, but limit it to no more than 5. You can choose to use vague and general hashtags such as funny cat and funny video to target a wider audience. The best part is that this is a legitimate and ethical way to promote your content because the original video owner can disable the duet feature if they choose to do so. Additionally, this method helps to increase the visibility of the original video as well. After clicking on the post button, the video will be uploaded to your TikTok account. You should focus on building an audience by consistently posting videos within a specific niche. This method works well for motivation, business, and how-to videos, and can help you grow a loyal following. Once you have built up your audience, you can promote high-ticket products that pay anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000. If you want to learn more about how to monetize your TikTok and Instagram accounts, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll be sharing a video on this topic soon, and you can click here to watch it if it's already posted. Don't forget to share, like, and comment, and I'll keep you updated. Goodbye for now.